In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to Zendesk tickets. We'll walk through the full process step by step, so that by the end, you'll feel confident responding to customers and collaborating with your team inside Zendesk. First, start by logging into your Zendesk support dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the top bar. You'll see an option labeled Add. Hover your mouse over that. A drop-down menu will appear, showing different types of items you can work with. From that list, select the ticket you want to reply to. This opens the ticket view, where you can see the customer's message, any existing replies, and the ticket details on the side. With the ticket open, scroll down to locate the comment box, which is usually at the bottom center of the page. This is where you'll type your response. Before you start writing, take a moment to choose how you want to reply. Zendesk gives you two main options: a public reply or an internal note. A public reply is visible to the customer. This is what you'll use for actual responses, like answering questions, providing troubleshooting steps, or giving updates. An internal note is private and only visible to agents and internal team members. Use this when you need to leave context for a colleague, ask for help, or record important information that the customer doesn't need to see. Make sure you've selected the correct option, because once you submit, you can't turn a public reply into an internal one. As you write your response, you can enhance it using a few powerful tools. You can format your text to make it easier to read. For example, you might use short paragraphs, headings, or emphasis to highlight key information like instructions or important details. You can also attach files or screenshots directly in your reply. This is especially helpful if you're giving visual instructions, sharing a document, or confirming something with an image. Just click the attachment option near the comment box, upload your file, and verify that it appears correctly before sending. Another time-saving feature is macros. Macros are predefined responses or templates you can insert for common questions or tasks. You can select a macro, then customize the text so it still feels personal and relevant to the specific customer. Once you're happy with your reply and you've double-checked that you've chosen either public reply or internal note correctly, go to the bottom right corner of the screen and click Submit as New. This saves and sends your response, updating the ticket status according to your workflow. And that's it. That's how you reply to Zendesk tickets in a clear, efficient, and professional way.